Hey guys, guess what? I'm back with modern and smart native phrases. So this is the part 2 of our previous video wherein we are going to learn some phrases which can definitely develop your conversational skills and will help you sound like a native. So let's get started without any further ado. But before I start, let me tell you, if you think that today's video is informative and helpful, do let me know that in the comment section because I get a lot of encouragement from that. And also do subscribe to this channel for more such amazing English learning content and share this video with others. Also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more such English learning tips. Now we can start. First on our list today is this phrase, crunch time. Crunch time is a period usually when intense effort is needed, usually at the end of a project. For example, it's crunch time, team. Let's get this video edited and uploaded by tonight. Means now that we have the video, we need to edit it, we change and modify it, and also we need to upload it by tonight. So let's get started. Let's start working. Next example, we are in crunch time with the upcoming project launch. Now, because we need to launch a project, we have to work harder now and make sure everything is perfect. Next is set up your game. This means to improve one's performance or quality of work. For example, if you want to compete with the best, you have got to set up your game. Means if you want to compete with someone who is better than you, you have to improve your quality of work or you have to improve your performance. Next, I've been taking courses to set up my game in graphic design. That means I've been taking courses so that I can improve my performance in graphic designing. Next one, from the ground up. This means to start something from the very beginning, especially when creating something complex. For example, we built this channel from the ground up and we are proud of how far we have come. Yeah, I really built this channel from the ground up and I'm really proud, but still I need your encouragement. So if you think that those contents are relevant to what you are learning, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Next example. The script was rewritten from the ground up to ensure it was perfect. That means that the script has been written from the very beginning to make sure that things are all set. Next phrase, cutting edge. The most advanced stage in the development of something. You must have heard this term every now and then. So cutting edge means the most advanced one. For example, we are using cutting-edge technology to edit our videos. That means we are using advanced technology to edit our videos. Example 2, this cutting-edge software can help streamline your workflow. Cutting-edge software means advanced software. Going ahead, we have touch base. This means to make contact briefly to check details or confirm agreements. Example 1, let's touch base next week to finalize the details. That means let's contact next week. So when you want to have a contact with someone in brief, you will use the phrase touch base. Next one, I'll touch base with the team to make sure everyone is on the same page. That means I'll connect with my team or I'll contact my team. Now the fifth phrase, bring to the table. This means to offer something to a group or a project, usually a skill, idea, or quality. For example, each team member brings a unique skill set to the table, enhancing our project's quality. Each team member is bringing a unique skill set to the table. Unique skill set to the table means bringing a unique skill set to the table means they are offering us a nice skill set. They are coming up with a nice skill set. Example number 2. What do you bring to the table when it comes to video production techniques? That means what sort of quality or skill you are offering us. Now it's time that we move ahead with the next phrase. And that's bring the internet. Now this term is again very popular and common one. To break the internet means to cause a large scale reaction or a lot of attention to the internet. Example number 1. This viral video practically broke the internet with its unexpected twist. Broke the internet. That means it has a lot of attention on the internet. Example number 2. If you're looking to break the internet, you will need content that's both original and engaging. That means if you want a lot of attention or a large-scale reaction, a massive reaction, then your content needs to be original and relevant to people. Next is go viral. Similar to the previous one, this means to gain widespread popularity on the internet through social media and other web platforms. Example number 1. Our goal with this video is to go viral and reach 1 million views. And believe me guys, you are the only one who can help me in this journey. So quickly go and like this video if you think that this is relevant. Example number 2. When her dance video went viral, it changed her life overnight. So that means when her dance video gained a lot of popularity on the internet, it changed her life overnight. Let's see what's waiting for us next. Next up, we have think outside the box. This means to think creatively, not bound by conventional norms. For example, we need to think outside the box to solve this editing issue. That means we need to think creatively if we want to solve this issue. Example number 2, thinking outside the box. He used his smartphone to create a professional looking film. This means that not everyone has the guts to use a smartphone and make a film. And here he is different. He literally thought in a creative manner, which has its own originality. Next up, we have hit the ground running. This means to start something and proceed at a fast pace with great enthusiasm. Example number 1. As soon as we got the green light for the project, we hit the ground running. That means as soon as our project was approved, we started to work on it at a very fast pace. Example number 2. You'll need to hit the ground running if you want to keep up with the latest social media trends. This means that you need to work fast and with great enthusiasm if you want to stay updated with the trends. The next phrase is something that I use in my classes a lot to tell my learners that they have set a higher standard, and that is to raise the bar. Raise the bar means to set a higher standard than before. Example number 1, this new series will raise the bar for what our audience expects in terms of quality content. This means that this new series is definitely going to set a higher standard than before. Next example, by raising the bar each year, we have gained a significant following. That means we have kept on working on setting a higher standard and now we have gained a lot of popularity. Do you know what does this phrase means? Key takeaway. So key takeaway is something that we use in our meetings. And this means the main point or most important piece of information to remember. Example number 1. The key tutorial from today's video is that learning new phrases can definitely help you improve your communication skills. This means that the most important piece of information to remember from today's class is that learning new phrases can help you improve your communication skills. Example number 2. One key information to remember from our analytics review is that viewers prefer longer videos. That means the most important thing to remember from our analytics review is that, and then the rest of the sentence. Next up, we have push the envelope. Push the envelope. You're not pushing something here. This means to go beyond commonly accepted boundaries and to work on it. Means to attempt to extend the current limits of performance. Example number 1. The new camera setup is definitely pushing the envelope on what we can film underwater. This means that the new camera setup has raised the bar. It's going beyond the accepted boundaries. Example number 2. We are always trying to push the envelope with our graphic design styles. That means we are always trying to innovate, or we are always trying to go beyond our limits and work on our performance. Moving ahead, we have on the fly. This means to do something quickly without previous planning in response to the changing situations. For example, we often have to make adjustments on the fly during our live broadcasts. That means because the broadcast is live, you don't have time to plan something, and now you have to do something quickly if the situation is changing. Example number 2. Editing on the fly, he managed to take the video out while the topic was still trending. It means that when the topic was trending, he managed to quickly edit the video without any previous planning. And the last one is epic fail. It's a mistake or failure that is extremely unsuccessful, yet often humorous or an opportunity for learning. Example number 1, that attempt at a baking tutorial was an epic fail. Example number 2, our first live event had some technical glitches. It was an epic fail, but a great learning experience. It was an epic fail means it was extremely unsuccessful. Things didn't go well there, right? So I believe you have learned a lot of trending phrases in today's class, and don't be afraid to use those phrases. In your sentences, you will make mistakes, and that's okay. Keep practicing, set a goal, and raise the bar. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay connected.